good morning from snowy Canmore, Alberta. It's Saturday, December 17th, and we're heading out on a sketchy day. It's minus 14 right now, snowing. There's been thanks, Carmen. There's a cold front thingamabobber coming down from the north that's going to be hitting Canada today. And record minuses, lows, temperatures, coldness is expected. Minus 14 is a little colder than I'm used to already, but you know, hopefully we can get through. We have to go to Brooks today, Brooks, Alberta. We were going to go to Medicine Hat, but we shortened the distance when we saw today's weather. So 300, I think a little less than 300 kilometers, but in this weather, it could take hours. We're hoping that the plows are out, working the highways, get their magic done so we can pass. Oh, we're heading into Calgary. We're just gonna take the number one through Calgary. We were gonna go around, but we figure with the weather today, the highway through will probably be a little bit better condition. Maybe a little slower, but better condition. The winds have calmed down. It was absolutely bonkers when we left Canmore. Shoot, it was windy. Visibility was rather poor. It's gotten a bit better now. The roads have been cleared well. So we've done about 90k. We have about 200 more to go, I think. It's about 10:30. Keep forgetting to change my clock, so I might have mistook the time when we left this morning. I think we left, it was about 8:30. No, 9:30. 9:30? I don't know. It's been about an hour. Woo. So we just stopped in, I think it was Chestermere, just a little town outside of Calgary, for a break and a bite to eat. Even though we're not really hungry, you kind of have to take it while you can get it so that you know you got the energy for the rest of the travel. So we wolfed down some food and off we are now. We have about 175 still to go to Brooks. The wind is still howling. It's still super cold, minus 16. The highways aren't too bad, but it's blowy out here, so you gotta kind of hang on. I don't know which is worse. I mean, when you're in the mountains, the variety of weather changes and conditions on the road is pretty drastic. And of course you got the inclines, so you know, uphills, downhills and that sort of stuff. But when you're out here on the prairies, damn, there's no shelter and the wind just whips at you. It's like all of a sudden the nice coverage of trees and mountains seems so nice when you're out here out in the open like this. Crazy blowy. Brooks, the turnoff. Seems that we have made it today, although you know you're never sure until you're parked. But it definitely was a challenging day, that's for sure. I don't think I took both hands off the wheel more than to scratch my nose once. So yeah, that was an experience. I think we have another couple days of that before we can get out of the parade. Well, maybe, yeah, probably 2 days. The local road's always nice when you get off the highway because you can slow down, but yeah, it's not exactly the same conditions, that's for sure. They don't plow the same in through the towns. Here we are, Heritage Inn and Suites. Oh, we made it. Hey, we made it.